everyone, welcome to Feedback. Yes, so Evangelist Ebuka Obi, popularly known as the most superlative man of God, says he has many plans. One of his plans says that he has come around to see that, so they've been doing a lot of things. He said honestly that since last year he has transformed about 800 prostitutes, and by the special grace of God that is helping them to get a job. Even some of them have kids. He said he has foundation that caters for those issues. Like now, they said they are starting from a project in Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Delta, and Rivers State. He said they have started seeing, okay, with these 7 states. Then he said before they will move to Lagos, Plateau, Kaduna, and all over the Federation, that he wants to have a psychiatric home in the whole Nigeria because of the causes of these issues are frustration. So Evangelist Ebuka said this psychiatric foundation is starting within the Anambra project, that he will build a psychiatric home and have a bus moving around all over Anambra State. The same thing to Imo, Rivers, and other 4 states. He said so they have a lot for the youth to make sure they are happy.
Broke his own agreement with heaven. His hour to perform it was not, but because Mama has asked him, he don't know how to tell her no. If you read the book of Luke chapter 1, from verses 26 forward, Angel Gabriel appeared to her with the message of heaven. How many? Full of grace. The Lord is with you. So even with the rosary that Catholic pray is in the Bible. Mary, full of, it's not heaven full of grace. The Lord is with you. And Mary was surprised what manner of salutation is this that God is greeting you. The angel says, you are going to conceive in the womb, you are going to have a son, he will be this, he will be that. And Mary answered, how can this happen? I am a woman that don't know man. I'm still a virgin. And the angel says, don't worry, the power of the Most High will overshadow you. And his son, your son will be born by the power of the Holy Ghost. And Mary said, so be it according to her word. And angel said, even your sister Elizabeth, that the thought will not have a child, she's now 6 months pregnant. And that was the first time Mary heard it. And Mary ran. He made it the end of the party, Mary ran to the house of Elizabeth. And he said, help. He said, Elizabeth. And Elizabeth shouted. Luke chapter 1, from verse 26 to 30.